Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Introducing Gemini 2.5 Pro. Gemini 2.5 Pro is making waves in the AI world, and this is absolutely huge because it comes with huge upgrades in coding performance, math performance, and so many other things, soaring to the top of the Arena LLM rankings. With a massive 1 million token context window and built in Google search integration, it's a powerful tool, and best of all, it's free to try. In this video, I put Gemini 2.5 Pro to test in Google AI Studio, so let's get started. So now let me show you the benchmarks and tell you a little bit about the model. So Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental, this is a thinking model. It was just released and it's in Google's AI Studio if you want to check it out. So it's completely free and lightning fast. And I'll show you that in a moment. Now immediately it is number one in the LM arena. That is essentially human voters voting on the results. So here it is, Gemini 2.5 Pro and handily beating number 2, 1443 ELO score. Now, as I said, this is another thinking model, meaning it outputs a bunch of tokens in its thinking phase as it continues to try different things, think through different possible solutions to problems, and then finally gives you the output. So these thinking models have proven to be much more capable at coding, reasoning, math, logic, stuff that basically has verifiable rewards. Now let's look at some of the specific benchmarks now. Here's Gemini 2.5 Pro, here's O3 Mini, the best of the best available today from OpenAI. Here's GPT 4.5, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Grok 3 Beta, and DeepSeek R1. This is kind of the best on the market right now, and nearly across the board, Gemini 2.5 Pro wins. That's amazing. So, humanities last exam with no tools, 18.8 second place, 14%. Jupiter QA Diamond, which is a science benchmark, 84% versus 79. So here's the Amy 2025 benchmark, 86.7 versus 86.5, barely aching it out. So Amy 2024, 5 points higher than O3 Mini, although Grok 3 Beta with multiple attempts does actually win. Live Code Bench, it actually scored less. The Ader Polyglot, which is another coding benchmark, it absolutely dominated. So here's MMMU, another domination, and MRCR, which is a long context evaluation. It scores incredibly well, up to 1 million tokens. And yes, this model has 1 million tokens. So not only it is incredibly good at coding, which I'll continue to show you with some amazing benchmarks, so stick around, but you can fit a massive amount of code into a single context window. So here's what they say about coding performance. We've been focused on coding performance, and with Gemini 2.5, we've achieved a big leap over 2.0 with more improvements to come. So 2.0 Pro excels at creating visually compelling web apps and agentic code applications, along with code transformation and editing. So on Sway Bench Verified, the industry standard for agentic code evals. So Gemini 2.5 Pro scores 63.8% with a custom agent setup. So in order to access it, you need to go into the Google AI Studio. So you need to sign in, and here you want to select Gemini 2.5 Pro. You're allowed to use 2 requests per minute, 50 requests per day with a free version. Now its knowledge cutoff is January 2025. So this shows when the model was actually last trained, which is very good, and we can use it for free up to these limits. So now let's try it out. Let's try the snake game. So here is our prompt. Let me read this to you. Write a Python version of the classic snake game using Pygame, but with unique, visually stunning, and complex enhancements that make it incredible to watch. In addition to standard snake mechanics, implement the following features: dynamic visual effects. The snake leaves behind a glowing, fading trail. The background pulses with subtle color gradients and transitions. When food is eaten, trigger a particle explosion effect, different types of food, grant temporary powers, speed boost, reverse control, etc. etc. So let's click on run, and there we go. Look at that. That's a power up. The camera moves around, Nice effect. Time slowdown, speed boost. So you can see this game is just incredibly impressive. And again, this is all done with one shot. Now here's another simple flight sim. So that's literally all I asked, to give it a simple flight simulator. I didn't give it any more details than that, and it works decently well. So there's not much detail to it. I like that you can see the shadow, and the shadow is kind of shimmering just like a shadow would at this height, with a little bit of texture on the ground, so it looks very cool. Still very simple, but you can accelerate it, move in all different directions. Okay, so next, just for fun, I'm going to have it create me a second snake game. So I'm setting the temperature at 1, so it's allowing for a lot of creativity, so the game should come out quite differently than the first one. Let's see how it goes. So look how fast it is. It's already been thinking and writing code for 160 seconds. There we go. So those green pulsing food, we got one. This is definitely hard. I gotta figure the rules. We can see it leaves a little trail. There's my food. Here's a little blue thing. Okay, so game over. So one shot snake game. I can continue to add different rules and different obstacles, different power ups. Very easy. So next, let's recreate the Reddit website in one file. Look up Reddit to figure out what it looks like. Here it is. So it doesn't quite look like the real Reddit website. It's kind of an older version, but yeah, we can see all of the posts. We have different comments. You can join different subs. And yeah, pretty simple. But it's very cool that a single sentence prompt did this. Now, next, create an interactive simulation of a virus attacking cells in a bloodstream. The environment should visually represent flowing blood with red blood cells, etc., etc. Now, here's the result. So, this is the original simulation that came out. We have the red blood cells, we have the white blood cells, and the little purple stuff right there. This is the virus. Now, down below, we have all of our settings, and we can see how it will change it. So, if we turn up the number of viruses and we reset, we can see it's a lot more. So let's turn it up even more, and there it is. We can even increase the replication rate. So now the viruses are going to replicate at much higher rate. So we can also have standard, aggressive, stealthy, and fast replicating. Now let's go ahead and reset one more time. And let's do aggressive. Now look at them go. But let's give our white blood cells a chance. Let's increase the white blood cells, increase their movement speed, and increase the detection radius. So now we can see the white blood cells are doing very well. So attacking all the viruses right there. We can also increase the blood flow speed. We can increase the simulation speed, increase the red blood cell count, which requires a reset. So there it is. Now this is all really cool, but I wanted it in 3D, so I really just said, give it to me in 3D. And there it is. There are the red blood cells, the purple are the viruses. We can zoom in. We can kind of watch the white blood cells go after the purple viruses. We also have all the same settings as before, so that's pretty amazing. And the last one, we have the surgery simulator, so kind of a toy one. We have a scalpel. Let's go ahead and make a cut. So it opens up. We can make a second cut right there. And we can see we have the precision score, the stability score, which is actually decreasing. Let's make another cut. What if we make a cut like this? So our patient is not doing well. Let's suture him up. There we go. And when all of this is done, the stability will increase and stabilize. So kind of a fun little game, but again, just one-shotted. Pretty amazing. All of these are more or less one-shot. And when I say more or less, sometimes I just add some features to them, and then it actually asks it to fix any code. This is by far the most impressive coding model I have ever seen. So what do you guys think of this newest Gemini model? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.
Introducing Livecaster 24/7, the ultimate video traffic boost. Multiply your organic reach and audience with live, dynamic video programming. Live stream from most any social media platform and multiple your reach up to 10 times with Livecaster 24/7. Supercharge your marketing reach with Livecaster 24/7's powerful features. We get a 3 times boost in reach from live streaming. Social Baker reports 92% extra reach for live videos, and reach tests just 48 hours after publishing. Live videos have the most reach among all the video formats on social. Live stream pre-recorded videos and show your best content to the world. Go live on any platform, Livecaster 24/7 makes it easy. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X, Amazon, LinkedIn, Kick, Twitch, Stream, Rumble, and the rest of them. Content creators get a reach boost and get more viewers for your existing content. E-commerce marketers sell anything better with live videos. Grab the top spots on news feeds and search results effortlessly. Leave your competition in the dust with a live streaming reach boost. Livecast multiple videos simultaneously on multiple platforms. Schedule your livecasts. Go live even when you're sleeping. Create live stream channels. Live stream long videos without limitations. Live stream multiple videos in a queue using our streams feature. Live loop technology loops your livecast for an unending live stream. Supports HT and high-quality livecasts. Supports all popular video formats. Download YouTube videos for streaming. Detailed reporting and fail-safe mechanisms. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Livecaster 24/7 now. Just go to livecaster.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.